guys, in this video we're going to cover dumbbell deadlifts. Hip hinge back until the dumbbells get to the level of the knees. When you feel a stretch in the hamstrings and glutes, you can bend the knees further. Aim to touch the dumbbells to the ground while maintaining a straight back. Bring yourself back up by squeezing the glutes and the core at the same time. At the top, make sure to squeeze the glutes and push the ribs down. It can help to pull the shoulders back and squeeze the core before you begin. Make sure you're slow on the way down and use explosive power on the way up. Try not to hyperextend the back by bending backwards too far.